Every day, we're hit with a flood of decisions. Some are simple, but others dive deep into the realm of right and wrong. As beings made in the image of God, it's crucial that we aim to make the right choices, even though it's not always easy to be morally and ethically correct. What is philosophy? Think of philosophy as the grand quest for wisdom. It's more than just a college subject, it's a way of looking at the world, the universe, and our place in it. The word philosophy comes from the Greek for love of wisdom. Philosophy invites us to ponder the big questions. What's the nature of human thought? How does the universe work? And how do these things connect? What is ethics? Ethics is like the rulebook for deciding what's right and wrong. It's a branch of philosophy that helps us figure out moral standards, influenced by things like religion, culture, laws, and social norms. Ethics provides a set of values that guide us in distinguishing good behavior from bad. It helps us establish what's truly important in our lives. In exploring ethics, we come across related concepts like morality, values, judgment, moral dilemmas, and conduct. Understanding these ideas helps us grasp the ethical side of human behavior. Although ethics and morality are often used interchangeably, they have different meanings. What is morality? Morality is your personal guidebook for deciding what's right and wrong. It's about the standards you set for yourself based on what you believe is acceptable behavior. What are morals? Morals are the specific beliefs and attitudes that steer your actions. If your actions line up with your moral beliefs, they're considered moral. If they don't, they're immoral. For example, if someone always chooses to do wrong even though they know the right thing to do, they're seen as immoral. Humans are called moral because we can reason through choices between right and wrong and face the consequences. Animals, on the other hand, are seen as amoral because they don't reason or deal with consequences the same way. A moral issue arises when a situation requires you to make a moral judgment. For example, if you can't afford something but are tempted to steal it, this isn't just about breaking the law, it's about respecting others' property. Moral issues can spark heated debates, like those about capital punishment or euthanasia. What is a moral dilemma? A moral dilemma is a tough spot where you have to choose between two good options or the lesser of two evils. Imagine a mother who has to choose between feeding her hungry children and stealing food to do so. Both choices have strong ethical reasons, making the situation a true moral dilemma. What is human reasoning? Our ability to think and reason helps us judge whether our actions are acceptable. How do we decide if something is unethical or immoral? What are our criteria? Our choices might be influenced by fear of punishment, desire for approval, promises of rewards, or sticking to certain principles. Beyond these factors, moral decisions can be based on principles. For instance, choosing not to steal because it disrespects other people's property shows that we act on a principle. Principles are the rational grounds for justifying and maintaining our moral choices and judgments.